Hello children, welcome to 7th Science online classes. And today we will revise two chapters, chapter 14 and chapter 15. So first we will see chapter 14, that is electric current and its effects. Electric current and its effects. Electric circuit. First we will see what is electric circuit. A closed path formed through which electric current flows is called an electrical circuit or electric circuit. So electric circuit, it need a closed path. Any open space current cannot pass through it. So for an electric circuit it need a closed path. Okay. Electric components and their symbols. The symbols of electric components represent part of the circuit in circuit diagram. So in an electric circuit we used many electric components like a battery or cell, bulb, switch, wire, everything. So we represent that electrical components using some symbols. Okay, so here we can see the symbol. First one, electric cell. Electric cell, okay, it is represented like this. One longer line and one shorter line here. This longer line indicates the positive terminal of the cell and shorter the negative terminal. Next is electric bulb. See, this is the symbol for electric bulb. Switch in off position. See here, switch in off position. So this is the symbol for off position. Switch in on position, so that time here touched. Okay, so a current can flow through it. So this is the on position. And battery. Okay, here this is one kind of battery. We can use this type of battery in vehicles. And here this is one cell, and we can add more cells. That time also we can call it as battery. See the arrangement of battery. And wire. See, this is the representation of wire. So this is important. So all of you study these electric components and their symbols. Types of circuit: open circuit and closed circuit. So we already said that any gap between this circuit current cannot pass. So we need a closed circuit. So first, open circuit. When the key or switch is switched off or opened, the circuit is said to be an open circuit as it is incomplete. See, this is the open circuit. So here you can tell that this is switch off. Switch off means here a gap. Okay, so we can call it as open. So that time current cannot flow through the circuit and this bulb does not glow. And next one, closed circuit. When the key or switch is switched on or closed, the circuit is said to be an closed circuit as it is complete. See here, this is the switch, and here the switch in the on position, or we can tell that this is closed. So that time current can pass through it and bulb glows, and this is a complete circuit. But this is an incomplete circuit. Next, effects of electric current. So in this chapter we studied two effects of electric current: heating effect of electric current and magnetic effect of electric current. So we will see this each one detail. Heating effect of electric current. When an electric current flows through a wire, the wire gets heated. It is the heating effect of current. Okay, a current pass through a wire, so that time heat is produced on that wire. So that is called heating effect of electric current, and it has many applications in our day-to-day life. So we will see that most household electrical appliances works on the principle of heating effect of electric current. For example, electric heater, electric iron, electric kettle, electric juicer, etc. Next one, electric fuse. Important, electric fuse is a safety device which prevents damage to electrical circuits and possible fires. So you know that fuse in our electrical circuit. So whenever the amount of electricity is more, so that time the electric fuse act. So that time the filament inside the fuse break, and that save our electrical devices. Nowadays, miniature circuit breakers (MCBs) are used in place of fuses, as these switches automatically turn off when current in a circuit exceeds the safe limit. So this time MCB, instead of electric fuse, we use MCB, that is miniature circuit breakers. So excess amount of current pass through the circuit, automatically that switch off. So that is MCB, the function of MCB. Next is magnetic effect of electric current. When an electric current is passed through a wire, it behaves like a magnet. This is called the magnetic effect of electric current, which was discovered by a scientist, Hans Christian Ørsted. Okay, so here a current is passed through a wire. That wire can act as a magnet. That wire attract other magnetic materials like iron nail and other magnetic materials. So this is called magnetic effect of electric current. Heating effect means when current passed through a wire, heat is produced on that wire. Here current is passed through a wire. Wire can act as a or behaves like a magnet. It gets a magnetic power. The electromagnet is formed because of the magnetic effect of the electric current. So because of using this magnetic effect, we can make electromagnet. Okay, so that is not a permanent magnet. Any time we can if you need that magnet, that time we can make it. Otherwise, that is not a magnet. So electromagnet also have very much application in our industries. Okay, we'll see that electromagnets are used in domestic appliances such as electric bells. They are used in toys. They are used in cranes to separate magnetic materials from junk and to lift heavy objects. They are used by doctors to remove any magnetic materials that we have fallen in the eye. So these are the uses of electromagnet, and this electromagnet is worked under the principle of magnetic effect of electric current. Next is electric bell. An electric bell works on the magnetic effect of current. It has an electromagnet in it. So this is the electromagnet. Here one electromagnet is here. It has a coil of wire wound around a piece of iron. So here a coil of wire. The iron strip with hammer is kept close to the electromagnet, and also there is a contact screw near the strip. So you can see in this picture here one strip is here, okay, and that strip is attached to a screw. When iron strip is in contact with the screw, the current flows through the coil and act as electromagnet. Then it pulled the strip, and hammer at the end of the strip strike the gong of the bell and produces sound. So when current pass through it, it acts as a magnet, and that time it attracts this thing, this strip to here. So this strip attract here. So that time this gong, hammer strike on this gong, and we can hear the sound. Okay. So this is also very important. Study well. Next we see chapter 15, light. Light. Light is a form of energy which enables us to see the objects. Light travels along a straight path. Light is a energy and it travels along a straight path. Next is reflection of light. The change of direction of light by a mirror. Okay, mirror or any polished surface. When a light falling on any mirror or any polished surface, it that light come back. So that bounce back of that light is called reflection. And we see about mirror. Mirror, any shiny surface which can reflect light. So two kinds of mirror we studied in this lesson, plane mirror and curved mirror. And what about plane mirror? Flat reflective surface works as a plane mirror, our common mirror in our house. Okay, that is called plane mirror. So that is a flat surface. That is called plane mirror. And curved mirror. Curved reflecting surface work as curved mirror. So that curved mirror means that surface is little curved, sometime inside or outside. Now we will see plane mirror. When a candle is placed in front of a plane mirror, see here mirror is there, here is the candle. The candle which appears to be behind the mirror is the image, the candle itself is the object. Okay, so here this is the original candle and this is called the object, and what we see on this mirror, that is the image. Okay, so this is the real object and this is the image. An image formed by a plane mirror is erect. So see here, this is like this, the flame is up and this part is down. Same like here also, this flame is up and this part is down, and this is called erect. And of the same size. His size is small or big? No, the same size. What is the object size? Same like image size also. Size and shape as the object. So size, shape, and this is erect also, same as object. The image is at the same distance from the mirror as the object from the mirror. See here you can see that the distance between the object and the mirror, only this much, and the same distance you can here also, the same distance from this mirror to the image. Okay, so that is some characteristics of image formation of a plane mirror. So very important. So first one, an image formed by a plane mirror is erect. Okay, and same size and same shape. And the another one, image and mirror or object mirror. The distance between object mirror is same as the distance between mirror and image. Next is spherical mirror. Spherical mirrors are two kinds and they are called curved mirrors, concave mirror and convex mirror. First we see about concave mirror. A mirror that has a concave reflecting surface. The inner surface of a spoon works like a concave mirror. So I already told you, for understanding this concave mirror and convex mirror, keep a spoon that in your mind. Okay, so this is the inner surface. Inner surface, every time you can see the image upside down when it is at the larger distance. Okay, we will discuss that one. First see, a mirror that has a concave reflecting surface. The inner surface of a spoon works like a concave mirror. So inner surface of a spoon is concave mirror. So keep that point in your mind. Inner surface of a spoon, that is concave mirror. So it is easy to remember the things. The image formed can be smaller or larger in size than the object. See, when you can see here that person holding this spoon. So that person we can see here upside down. His head is here and other part is, or leg part is here, that is upside down, because he is in the, or that person is in the larger distance. But when it is move to very close, or we keep one finger to point to this inner side very close, that time we can see the larger size, and that time it is not upside down, that is in the same not upside down. Okay, so that is the image formation of concave mirror. Then the image can be real or virtual. So this time, this upside down, that time the image is real, but when it is very close, that time it is virtual. So that is in that case, that is erect, so that is virtual. Then some application. Doctors use concave mirrors for examining eyes, ears, nose and throat. Dentists use it to see an enlarged image of the teeth. It is used in reflectors of torch headlights of cars and scooters. So these are the applications. Applications also important, and this image formation of concave mirror. Okay, so two types of image we get. When it is distance, more distance, that time upside down or real image, but when it is very close, that time larger size, but that is virtual image. Next, convex mirror. A mirror that has a convex reflecting surface. The outer surface of a spoon works as a convex mirror. So here this is the outer surface and this is the convex mirror. So keep in your mind, outer surface of a spoon is the convex mirror. Convex mirrors can form image of objects which are at a very large distance from it. These mirrors are used in rear view mirrors of vehicles to help drivers to see the traffic behind them. Okay, so this here size is small, here image size is small, but that is a virtual image, that is erect and virtual image. So that is the use of it is used as a rear view mirror in the vehicles. Next, real image and virtual image. An image that can be formed on a screen is called real image. Okay, so we get an image on the screen, so we can call it as real image. See, in a cinema also, that film, that time image we can see on the screen, so that is the real image. And virtual image, an image that cannot be obtained on a screen, is termed as virtual image. See, when we are looking at the plain mirror, so that we cannot obtain any screen, so that is the virtual image. Lenses. So same like mirrors, lenses also two types. They are convex lens and concave lens. What about convex lens? A lens which feels thicker in the middle than at the edges. So middle portion is thicker, but the edges are thinner. It converges, bends inward, the light falling on it. It converge or it concentrate. When a light passing through it, it concentrate to a point. It can concentrate the light onto a point, that is converge. So it is called converging lens. It is called a converging lens. Image formed is real, erect and magnified. Image formed is real, erect and magnified. It is used in magnifying glass. And next is concave lens. A lens which feels thinner in the middle than at the edges are concave lenses. So here middle portion is thin, but in the edges that are very thick. It diverges the light falling on it. So here the light falling through this concave lens, it is not concentrated to a point, it diverges like this. Okay, so that is called diverging lens. Concave lens, another name is diverging lens. Image formed is virtual, erect and smaller in size than the object. Okay, image formation image formed is virtual, erect and smaller in size than the object. Next, color of sunlight. Rainbow consists of 7 colors, which includes red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. So it is called VIBGYOR. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. That is called VIBGYOR. So rainbow consists of 7 colors. When light passes through a prism, so this is the prism, glass prism, it got divided in 7 colors, which conclude that light is a combination of 7 colors. So actually our sunlight also, it is white in color, but that white color is the combination of these 7 colors. Okay children, so this is the revision part of these 2 chapters. So all of you revise that all chapters for our exam. Study well. All the best for you for your exam and your coming classes. Okay, so thank you.